Hello guys. Welcome back to another video tutorial. This is my second video tutorial on Adobe server error to fix. Because lots of peoples were saying in comment section it's not working. How to fix unable to reach Adobe server's error. So in this video I will give you 5 options that can fix this error. So let's start. Step 1. Test your internet connection. Is it working or not? Step 2. Check your system clock setting. Time and date is correct or not. Also check the time zone. Step 3. Check the window firewall setting. Is the firewall is turned on or not? Step 4. Disable system protection softwares, such as if you are using antivirus softwares. Step 5. Open command prompt as an administrator. For this step follow my desktop screen. Go to start menu. Search for command prompt. Open as administrator. Type that command which I have provided in this video description. Then press the enter button from your keyboard. Now close the command prompt. Now you have to restart your computer. Thank you so much for your support.